Hello everyone, today we are learning the theme tune to The Godfather. Never seen it, sounds pretty cool though. And it's something that Slash does live with Guns N' Roses around about the early 90s when they're on the Use Your Illusion tour. Really, really cool. Check it out. Slash Godfather theme tune solo. Really, really cool. Pretty much what I just did. So let's learn it. Let's get zoomed in. Okay, so we're going to be starting up on the 14th fret of the G string with the third finger. To the pinky of the 15th on the B. To the second finger on the 13th of the high E. Then we take the first finger to the 12th of the high E. And the pinky to the 15th of the B. And then it's 13 on the high E, 15 on the B. And then it's 12 of the high E to 15 of the B. Then we've got to do this tricky movement of rolling the pinky down to the 15th of the G. See that rolling movement with the pinky? If you look in the little camera, you'll see me kind of rolling it around. And then after you've done that note, it's 13 of the B to 14 of the G. Then the whole first bit is the same until you get to the 15 of the B there, and then you go to the G and you go 14, 13, 12. It's a chromatic sequence. Okay, nice and easy. Then we've got like a diminished idea going on. So we're going from the 12th of the G to the 15th, first to pinky respectively. And then we do the same fingers, but on the 14th and the 17th of the B. Like that. You might want a bit of vibrato on that 17th fret. Sometimes I like to bend that note from the 14th of the B up to the 17th, but it's quite a long bend. Like that. And then we do the 12th of the G to the 15th of the G again. And then the 14th of the B again. And then you can either go up to the 15th of the B with the pinky, or you can just bend the 14th of the B up to the 15th. Okay, once you've done that a little bit, you bring the first finger down to the 12th of the D string. And then after the 12th of the D string, you do the 14th of the G. And then the 13th of the B. And then you do 15, 14 on the G. And then you're going to do 13th of the B. And then 2 on the 15, 2 on the 14 of the G. And you finish off 11, 12 on the D. And then you go up to the 15th of the B string, and it's a little chromatic sequence. 15, 15, 14, 13. And then I bend from the 15 to the 17 on the B. You might want a little rake there as well to get that kind of sound. Then it's the 15 of the B. And then 15, 14 on the G. Then we're going to go 13 on the B twice. And then 14, 12 on the G. And then we're staying on the G, and we've got 12, 15, 13, 14. Okay, and that's it. That's the whole of the theme tune. I'll play it one more time slowly so you can see the whole thing in sequence. Here we go. Well, this is a really weird angle, but I think it's pretty cool. So thanks for watching that video. Please hit the like button. Please do all of those things that all YouTubers ask, because you've got to smash that algorithm, and then I'll just carry on making more guitar lessons for free. Thank you for watching. Check out some of the beautiful videos which are inserted on the screen in front of you if you wish to continue your guitar playing journey. And yeah, see ya.